Hello students, welcome back to the science class. Today I am going to teach you about the third story of the chapter, that is too much water, too little water. Okay, the story is about Cafe Parrot, Mumbai, a place in Mumbai. Understood? In this story, there was a little boy named Deepak. One day, Deepak went to Razia Madam's house with his mother. Understood? They went by a lift, and the lift stopped at the 26th floor of that building where Razia Madam lived. Understood? And when Deepak entered into the house, Razia Madam became happy. She smiled at him and switched on the TV. Okay? Deepak became very happy and lost in the worlds of cartoon. Students, all of you love to watch cartoons in your holidays. Understood? Okay, students. Now, the house was quite cool and shining clean. Got it? Now, what happened? After that, Razia Madam called Puspa. Puspa was Deepak's mother, who was working in Razia Madam's house. Understood? So, Razia Madam called Puspa and asked her to throw all the water which she has filled one day before. Understood? And she told her that, means Razia Madam told Puspa that in newspaper Razia Madam read that in their area the gutter water was got mixed with the drinking water pipes, and the water became dirty, and so many people became ill by drinking this dirty water. The people were suffering from diarrhea, dysentery and vomiting. Understood? So, Razia Madam told Puspa to take some new water and boil it and filter it and make it safe, make it clean for drinking. Understood? Razia Madam also told Puspa to take some boiled water to her house. After listening this, Deepak became very happy. Very happy. He thought that he did not have to stand in queue in a long line. Okay, for fetching drinking water. Yes, in our country there are so many places where there is a lack of clean and healthy drinking water. People have to stand hours with pots, empty pots and buckets to collect water, to collect drinking water. Understood? Okay. Now students, let's come to the story. Now Deepak became very happy. I told you, he became very happy as he did not have to stand in a long queue for hours to fetch drinking water for his house. And he thought that that was a real holiday for him. From this story, this is the old story, and from this story you came to know that drinking dirty water can cause us sick. We can suffer from many diseases like cholera, diarrhea, dysentery and jaundice. Understood? So students, here I want to tell you, when a person suffering from this diarrhea or dysentery or vomiting by drinking dirty water, a lot of water is lost from his body, which is very dangerous. Which is very dangerous if we do not take care, if that person doesn't take care. Understood? The doctor advises to take ORS. To take ORS. What is ORS here? ORS is oral rehydration solution. Understood? ORS is oral rehydration solution. Students, ORS is given to the patients suffering from diarrhea, or dysentery, or you can tell dehydration patient, understood, to fulfill the requirement of water in their body. Got it? Okay. Now students, if anybody suffering from diarrhea, he or she has to take this ORS, understood? First thing. Second thing, he or she has to take light food. Children must continue drinking their feeding on their mother's milk, understood? These are the some ways when a person suffering from diarrhea. Students, now let us see what are the different processes, methods to clean dirty water. First one is boiling. In that story, you remember that Razia madam asked Puspa to boil the water and make it fit for drinking. If we boil dirty water, understood, and filter it, that is filtration. If we boil dirty water and filter it with the help of any cloth, piece of cloth or strainer, understood, then we can get clean water for drinking. Got it? Students, now also third process is chlorination. By adding chlorine balls, small balls, chlorine balls to the dirty water, we can make it fit for drinking. Students, nowadays different types of aquaguards are there. We drink water from aquaguards which are pure and healthy drinking water, understood? So students, this is all about the processes of cleaning water. Now I want to tell you one thing. We can make this ORS in our home also. If we add 1 tablespoon of sugar and a pinch of salt in 1 glass of boiled water and stir it well, it becomes ORS, oral rehydration solution, which help to fulfill the water requirement for any person who is suffering from diarrhea, understood? And students, we can also buy this ORS from the medicine shops, understood? Medicine shops, we can buy this ORS in packet form, in dust form. We take again some water, 1 glass of water, stir it well and drink it according to the prescription of the doctor, understood? So students, this is all about the third story of this chapter, and this is about ORS. I have discussed about some diseases caused by drinking dirty water, unhealthy water, and the process of making ORS. This is one home remedy. Okay, very quickly you can give a person by making it in your home, understood? So, and about oral rehydration solution. In my next class, I will discuss some more about this chapter, about the topic actually, too much water, too little water. So students, all of you learn page 149, 150 and 151. Got it? And try to understand this part of the topic. I will soon meet you in my next class. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.